Hi, beautiful people. Good morning. So today is Friday, and it's like 7:10 right now. And I usually leave at 7:30 because yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I leave at 7:30 and I arrive at the office at like 8:30. So and clear up is not due yet. So like I have like a lot of time to spare. So unbox to be my new renegade folks. I already opened the pants. So I got this pants on sale. This is like 990 na lang. So this is the Seaside paper bag pants in olive and navy. So I actually asked them to put a note to the girl I love the most. It should be like to Gisette, the girl I love the most. From Gisette. But yeah. Because I love myself. I do though. Did I get the size right? I, I was torn between small and medium, but like my butt is getting bigger. So I got the medium. I feel like this is, maluwag. Maybe not really, but I'll show you guys some other time. Also, this is what I'm most excited about because I'm gonna wear this today. I got another shoes from them. No, this is their what's the name? Wait, you don't have it. Also, ang bilis ng shipping nila. Ah, it's. I hope. Okay, this is their figures chunky mules. So I got this. Guess what color? Guess what color? Guess what color? Green, of course. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh. Ah. I'm gonna wear them now to the office because it's wash down Friday. Super sakto. Super sakto on me. Oh my god. You guys see? Ooh. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I love you, Renegade Folk. And thank you, Gisette. Ano pa ba? Actually, magkukwento dapat ako. So, let's talk about something. Recently, I have been... I don't know. Parang lang ako nag-float lately. Do you guys feel that? Na parang lately you're just like existing. Ganon. Kasi, how do I explain it? Parang, like, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm good with my life and stuff like that. But there's a void. Like, there's a void inside me and I don't know, baka, and I don't know kung magigets nyo like kung ano yung sasabihin ko. Pero like, you guys know what that void is. And I don't want to admit it. Kasi nga, of course, like parang, I'm happy right now. But like, minsan iniisip ko kasi na parang, hindi mo naman kailangan. But, it's okay, I'll admit it. I am so fucking lonely. But like, I have my friends with me and my family. But like, pag 10 p.m. na, the air is different na talaga. Parang mapapaisip ka na lang talaga na parang you really need someone at the end of the day na parang makausap talaga, no? Kasi dati akala ko like, nah, I'm good. I'm good with myself, ganun. Pero at the end of the day, pala talaga parang hahanapin mo siya, no? But like, hindi ko naman siya priority hanapin because ang dami kong ginagawa. Like, ang dami kong ginagawa, mag-enroll na ulit ako for my master's, and I have work, and may tinahan duties, tapos, I am very active as well. So, parang iniisip ko din kasi parang, if ever, like, I get you know, I got the chance to be with, I mean like parang if I give them, wow, ang ganda mo, Gisette. Pero like, ano, pag, yun nga, parang, ah, ano ba, Gisette? These are just your feelings. It's not embarrassing, okay? Pero, yun nga, parang pag nag-open na ako ng doors, parang feeling ko din kasi parang mahihirapan ako na parang i-balance or like bigyan ng time or something like that. Because, I don't know, I'm like really enjoying my life right now and feeling ko lang baka parang, I don't know, pero iniisip ko din naman na parang he would understand if ever nga na ganito yung mangyari, ganun, like he would understand. And actually, my biggest fantasy is, because you guys know how quiet I can be, dito lang talaga ako like nagtotalk, ganyan. But like, you guys know, I'm a quiet girl. And my biggest fantasy is someone actually accepting how quiet I actually am. You know, like, hindi siya nababother na, bakit ba ang tahimik mo, ganyan. Because that's happened to me before, na parang, sobrang tahimik mo naman, ganyan. And, it's, I don't know, parang, naging insecurity ko siya na kasi, maybe I should talk more. But like, I don't really have much anything to say. So, I don't know. Yun lang. That's my biggest fantasy right now. Someone accepting me. Someone actually accepting the quiet me. You know. Because even right now, parang medyo, ayoko na, tinatamad ako magsalita. Hindi naman ako tinatamad, but it's just that, I am okay with everything I have to say na dyan lang siya sa akin. Like, I don't have to say it. Feeling ko. Something like that. Do you guys get that? But, yeah. And that's my biggest fantasy right now. And, comfortable silence. Parang doon talaga ako, like, you know, na parang hindi nila iisipin na she's quiet because they wouldn't think, I don't know. See, yun lang. Anyway, ayos pa pala ako ng water ko sa baba. So, also, I didn't do my makeup today because it's Friday and wala lang, tinatamad na ako. And feeling ko I should let my skin rest because I have like, I'm breaking out in this part. So, ayan. Pinakita ko lang din talaga sa inyo ang aking 2 Renegade Folk purchases. So, yeah. But, hindi ko naman siya like top priority or like hindi ko siya hinahanap na parang hindi naman ako nangungulila na, man, I want ganito, ganyan. No, I'm just, napapaisip lang ako talaga. Like, yeah, it would be nice. It would be nice. But, you know, I'm not like really, you know, looking for it right now. Pero, pag dumating, edi, but I don't think though, oh my god! Because, you know, like recently lang, ayun nga, parang recently lang, you know, something happened between me and this guy, and he was okay, like, he was really okay, and we still talk. We used to go out, like, lagi talaga, ganyan. And we still talk, I'm still friends, pero kasi yun nga, we're friends. But, you know, like, parang syempre, para sa akin, syempre, like, you guys know, we're being casual. Situationship. Yun yung lure ko talaga yun, no? Mahilig talaga ako sa situationship. Pero yun nga, parang, not like really situationship because we know what we're doing. And we just don't want to admit it. Pero like, nagiging inside joke na lang din yun sa amin dalawa. But, ayun nga. So parang, pero goods pa rin kami ngayon, ah. Pero, yun nga, parang, no moment na I started catching feelings, parang, nainis ako sa sarili ko kasi tinistant ko talaga yung sarili ko sa kanya. And, hindi naman sa parang nakaramdam siya or what. Pero, feeling ko naman din, alam niya yun. And, he knows what I'm trying to do. And kilala nga kasi din kasi namin yung isa't isa. And I just can't do it. I just can't. Parang, I don't know. Parang, dun ko na-realize na my walls are so high right now. That is so corny, just that. But like, yeah, it really is. And, ang avoidant ko pala. Or baka naging avoidant na lang din ako because of the things that had happened to me. Pero, I am trying to work on it. Pero siguro nga, yun nga, hindi ko pa time din kasi talaga. Na, I mean, like, siguro baka hindi pa rin namin time or like, hindi pa din kasi talaga ako ready for that. But like, sometimes I'm just really, really, really lonely. You know, like Joe sa Little Women, parang, yeah, yung monologue niya na gano'n. Tapos, yung, at the end, she says na, but it's so lonely. Cause, yeah, I felt that. Yun lang. Ayoko na. Pero I am okay. I'm okay with my life right now. I am enjoying this life and I love this life. So I am very grateful with everything that's happening to me. Yun lang. I am trying not to think too much na about it. Pero, yun nga lang, pag 10 p.m. lang, and usually naman pag 10 p.m., bedtime ko na, like, antok na ako. So, minsan ko lang siya naiisip. Yun. Pero, naiisip ko rin siya. Pero yun lang. Okay. Guys, actually, I don't know kung anong gagawin ko dito. Para, ayun. Feeling ko, magbibigay ako ng advice. Wow. Ako pa talaga. Parang, ano lang. Just hindi ka marunong mag-advice. Tsaka sa lahat ng tao dito. Sa'yo dapat hindi nang hihingi ng advice. Ayun lang. Wag na nga lang. So, okay na. Okay, guys. Bye. Because it's now like 7:23 and I have to fill my water bottle with ice and put water, ganun, and fix my stuff. Yan. Okay. Bye-bye!